We use reported speech when we want to tell somebody what someone else has said. These three sentences are all examples of reported speech. Let's learn how to use it and stay tuned until the end of the video because there's a chance to test your knowledge. The post office is closed. This is an example of direct speech because it's an exact quote of what was said. The most common ways of changing to reported speech are to use the word say and tell in the past simple. To use tell, start with the subject pronoun, then told, then the object pronoun. He told her that the post office was closed. The word that is optional and you can omit it without changing the meaning. So you could say, he told her the post office was closed. To use say, start with the subject pronoun, then use the past simple of say, which is said. He said that the post office was closed. Again, you can omit the word that without changing the meaning of the sentence. Be careful here. If you are using say as your reporting verb, you don't use the object pronoun. So we can't say, he said her that the post office was closed. This is wrong. Let's look at the other change when using reported speech. We usually take the verb in the original sentence and move it back one tense. In the example sentence, the verb is. The post office is closed. Is in the present simple, and in the reported speech, we change the present simple to the past simple. He told her that the post office was closed. He said that the post office was closed. If the original sentence was already in the past simple, in the reported speech, we can use either the past simple or the past perfect. You can choose. The original sentence here is, we went to the supermarket. In reported speech, we can say, they told me that they went to the supermarket. With the past simple, went. Or you can say, they said that they had been to the supermarket. This is changing to the past perfect, had been. You could also say, they told me that they had been to the supermarket, or they said that they went to the supermarket. All are correct. Let's do a quiz. Can you put this into reported speech? Pause the video if you need to. Jane said that she would call me tomorrow. The original sentence uses will in the present simple. We change this to the past simple for reported speech and get would. What did Joe tell Tom? Pause if you need to. Joe told Tom that the hat was on the chair. The direct speech uses is in the present simple. So in the reported speech, we change this back to the past simple, which is was. What did Laura say? Pause if you need to. Two answers are possible here. Waited is in the past simple, so we can choose to use either the past simple or the past perfect in the reported speech. Laura said that she waited for 2 hours in the rain. Past simple. Laura said that she had waited for 2 hours in the rain. Past perfect. Thanks for joining me on this video. Please like and subscribe for more. And until next time, keep practicing.